Here is a crazy reason why diabetic wounds seem not to heal fast. Now, look at this scenario. In diabetes, there's excessive blood sugar, and what this blood sugar does is to bind to hemoglobin. And when excess sugar is bound to hemoglobin, there is less room for oxygen to bind to that same hemoglobin, thereby starving vital cells of oxygen. Think about the cells in the area of that injury. They don't have enough oxygen for their metabolism, so they won't replicate, they won't heal fast. That's why you see that in diabetes, the wounds do not heal fast. And when the wound has existed there for a very long time, it could lead to infections, and this infection is going to complicate the wound. So this is the right time for you to go and check your blood sugar, monitor your blood glucose level, participate in exercise. There are so many things you can do to avoid diabetes. And if you're already diabetic, it is my humble advice for you to try to adhere to medical advice so that you won't get it complicated. There are so many complications of diabetes. We have nephropathy, retinopathy, so many big names because of one diabetes. In fact, diabetes is the mother of all sickness. So protect your health. Bye bye.